Welcome back. So your pre-2010 Toyota Prius, the engine starting battery has died. You need to jump start it. How do you jump start it? Well, first you're going to come up here and pop the hood in the front of the car. You can see the headlights down here and over here. Pop the hood on the driver's side. Here is, you can see your relay and fuse panel. Reach right down here in the front, push in, and the lid's gonna pop off. Once you pop the lid off, you're gonna see this giant red plastic piece that's got the positive sign right back here. Flip it open. You're gonna flip it toward the driver's side of the car. Now, you're gonna connect your positive jumper cable lead to this metal piece right here. Connect your negative back there, then connect it to your good battery. Once you've done that, get inside, put your foot on the brake, and hit the power button. That will quote unquote start the car. Now you may need to put it in drive or reverse, let your foot off the brake just a second to get the gasoline engine to start. Once the gasoline engine starts, go ahead and disconnect your jumper cable leads, make sure you flip that down. The fuse box cover won't go back on. Fuse box cover has to go on from the rear of the car first. Once you get that on, then you can push the front down. It'll lock in place. Put the hood down, you're ready to go. Now, just make sure you keep the car running long enough to get the starting battery for the car charged up. Hopefully this helps you guys out. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and check out the card right up here, because in the event that that's 12-volt starting battery for the engine, because it is separate from the hybrid batteries, if that battery dies, check out this link right up here. I'm going to show you how to change it.